Then when we talk here, consider the following statements with reference to Swami Vivekananda's philosophy. He emphasized service to humanity as a form of worship. He rejected all forms of spiritual practice in the favor of rationalism. Which of the following statements is correct? See, service to humanity is service to God. It is a form of worship. Now this is a positive statement. Swami Vivekananda, he is a positive personality. So obviously this positive statement, it would have been given by him. But will he reject all forms of spiritual practice? Because Swami Vivekananda was a person who tried to merge the spirituality of India and the materialistic culture of the Western world. So that could lead to a developed society. So he did not reject all the spiritual practices. Okay, so that is why second one is incorrect. The first one is correct. Why? Because it is positive in nature. Okay, generally positive in nature. So that is why here answer is going to be A. Okay, so the answer is A. The next one.